Hello, I am today again in pink dress and I'm thinking to show you some of the earrings with rose quartz and amethyst that I am thinking it will suit to pink color. Okay, now I'm going to try them and you see how it looks. This is with rose quartz gems, small beads, and the way that we display it's dangling and long. I will try both together and you see how it looks. I love them. It's even very nice with white and black dress, you see. Then we have these two amethyst and rose quartz. Go for both and you see which one is the best. This one is also nice. You see. By the way, I made all of this on my own. Can you see it actually? As you see, I use different gems in the combination of silver chain and silver hook, and this is how it looks. This one is pearl and ruby. How do you like this one? This is special. I made it with this pearl shape, geometric shape, and I think this is very cool. Look at this.